So today we're going to take a look at some ways to identify animals without actually seeing them. So we're going to take a look at scat, or the droppings that they leave behind. So if you open up your document here, make sure you hit edit and then go back and hit submit in the assignment when you are done. There's a couple of pre-lab questions. And then there is a website to go to. On here, I'll go to it. And better start closing out some of my browsers. I got too many of them. In any case, if yours looks like this and it doesn't put the pictures in there, that's fine. You can click on things like these. So you can go to pellets, and you can identify several species that have pelleted scat. Elk, white-tailed deer, mice, squirrels, rabbits, and then it goes to globular, and then if you scroll up it'll have the other ones too. So tubular, so these are some larger tubular, and there's some small tubular too as well. Just a second. Tubular small. Oh, it takes us right back to the, oh, here we go. Toad, raccoon, shrews, things of that nature. So in any case, you can study these a little bit and then create your own. And for each animal that you pick, so you're going to pick one from each category here. So you should have 4 different animals. Some animals cover more than one category, but you should have 4 different animals. You're going to have the name of the animal, the type of scat, the animal's diet, so you're going to have to look that up. What does it eat? And then a picture of the scat that you make from it, from the Play-Doh that you've been given. So I've got the different slides here for you to fill in. And then there's a couple of conclusion questions, and then go ahead and submit it. Have some fun with it. And we will all have our poop in a group today, so have some fun and enjoy the day. Thank you much.